the Secretary General of DCP, Senator Medo, again in a press conference, alleged that Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen, PS Raymond Omoro, and myself are responsible for organizing violence within Mount Kenya region. And I thought that, one, I need to call you because the media is not holding to account leaders for claims they make. The bar of proof has fallen, the threshold has fallen drastically. You no longer hold leaders to prove what they say. And there's an old dictum that says, he who alleges must prove. And so I thought because you as media are not holding leaders to account for claims they make against people, their names, their credibility, their character, I thought it's important that I call you and address this issue. But even before I address those claims, I think I really want to address myself to media. Because we are entering the season of madness, it behoves upon you guys in the media to hold every leader accountable for any claim they make. If you make a false claim about violence, it is as bad as somebody who perpetrates violence. There's no difference. And I think media owes it to us to treat everybody equally, to treat everybody fairly, and to hold leaders responsible, not only for their utterances, but for their claims. Having said that, let me say that this pattern by DCP party to try and drag my name, and they are not dragging my name, they are not saying that I'm causing violence in Kisii or Marsabit or Mombasa. Every time it's about Mount Kenya region. Every time the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua is addressing me, it is about Mount Kenya region. And for me that is sad because I'm a Kenyan and I'm a national leader. I've been a member of parliament, although elected in Gatundu South, but for the whole country. I've been a minister, cabinet minister for the whole country. I've been a presidential advisor for matters concerning the whole country. So I don't want to be dragged into that parochial, narrow, tribal prism of looking at me from the lenses of my tribe or where I come from. That is a path I have chosen for myself. I have been on that path of tribalism before. I don't want to be popular. If somebody wants to support me because I am ethnic and I'm tribal, do not support me. Do not vote for me. I have condemned tribalism in the strongest terms possible, and that ethnic prism of looking at things.